Uzamo kwa bamfamla ke black media abusia ye asemde bi yaba ni na ne se ye daddy Lumba yele maami Akosua Serwaa onse enche no ba Ghana ene Ghana for ada woroma omuso ni mu ije na baba yo abusia na enye yize na maami ne ba ene de se agenda beble ni tiri mu po beble ene nam so maami no timi be pie mu e Ghana sesei ne aba abeto dwa sisi ameno wakasa ne se yese maame no abo modern aye petition e de akwa President John Dramani Mahama efa ne ekoso no ho a abusia tim legal wife for breaking news pa fa maame Akosua Serwaa petition a wode akwa President John Dramani Mahama abusia nsem kure ya no woni se no nso na santamu ya na ene eba beto dwa se tim legal wife for father one edi wo mani me release press conference won krempumpuni mantema ne burofo past tense we present tense mu nyina no me no ka say omo say organize for fra nya me de yankwache ya hu ebe na woche aye ba besimu bimu no omo ba be ye foforo na no ne de omayi no kumase abusia eno nso enya asam ketwa na ene oma kansem pa dia fa President John Dramani Mahama petition maami Akosua Serwaa e de akwa no o maka nsam da fa ho a pese o ka me kwaji nchirimu nya foforo bibira no o ka e fa ho besisi
accept a traditional marriage the other person doesn't even have a proof omode AI picture aba na utimi chese ono kwa ni law no e o se agina yi ni free ni nsem
is supporting the main wife. Then you overlook her and took somebody he's married into a family testimony as the real one. Hey, let's go this way. Can your country be like a judge because she's not even a judge? And lawyer can go to practice. All her lands will be revoked. So what I'm saying. Let's not beat around the bush and say we all say bad. Mahama, he doesn't need invitation into this case. He's part of the case because it's in Ghana court, and he's the one who controls Ghana court. And not on the sacking the old Chief Justice, and not on the higher new one. Yes, so the court is under his control, so we don't need to invite him in. He's already in from when the case went to the court because he's the commander in chief. He's already in the case.
Kofi, what I don't even understand is if you can accept an AI evidence, not original evidence that when you say original, I don't like, and even the sad part is that the fake witness. I think all those people should have even been arrested.
Correct. I agree
for lying under the oath.
Yes.
Ebusia penny na or no bejina was say nipa omo witness ya ware ni nyina ewu. Say obi de ya ba ya na oda so ne na mabonten. And it looks like the decision was either premeditated or the judge had a best interest in something. If not,
I'm sorry, sir. He had to. We never true who are you or anticipating say there is going to be
menya be ye dina kakra metimi ato aso
me pacho
okay say no enti moving forward no then na ye nyina ye betimi aya aboa ama etimi adru president enim na waboa.
Okay, I think the next system can any Ghana for now we need to organize a petition. And now I'm not going to say the officially and the petition to the Chief Justice, to the President, and to the Chief of Defense.
Any vice president, no. And vice president should also be included. And then I say yes, starting to say there be a better na fa kon a discuss ya and ko be.
We need people in Ghana. They're willing to go and inform the police, to print out the petition, be ready, and lead their team to go and hand it over and organize it.
Okay.
That is what we want.
No, Something why I can group in or your NDC and or well known. I didn't say I'm going to use that begin fantasy. It will be quicker.
That's fine. If she,
Than something
whoever is willing to, whoever is willing to lead the program, we don't care. We just want to make, we just want to get results. I guess.
Let's consult. Let's consult. Consult.
No problem.
So
we bet you send an invite, so we're free. No,
I think so. It will be better.
Can you see our name in the ideas? So the very fresh. And Americans say because Emma's why busy. So who's going to inform Emma, and Emma is going to take you on board? Oh, sorry.
Ana nana nyame to wo de no so say breaky. Menim se mote dia.
Yeah.
Me say, you can say ye later on. Yeah, you're ready fee because many are not so what they are part of Nay. And the Siana was no. Yeah, some sort of action, and you will communicate Emma. So what I say. Not for because you can't see any jato, you can later and happen. I know.
Debbie.
So what I say.
Now, Mombe sign, Mombe register, Mombe, they no be started signing petition. Near Franco baby, a beko.
Petition, they will be crowded that I'll call you are. Change dog gogna. A bill, and on some more printed. Some mobile idea extra signatures are more added.
And who is going to start?
I know the air can't see. Say, almost something was and wine.
Women and Poby, or best start yen, I am follow one by one.
Say, not say father, so father, or yea, or kind, you know. Or kind, you know, friends, a conference,
press conference, no.
Press conference, the reading, bro, focus.
Hey, Simon Peru ever bet me a lady in announcement a day or the Bequa, baby.
Yeah, well, bro, change the bit me and say financially, no. Only here, BB, I now contribute to. Yeah, support too.
Once in a worker conference day, once in a musi and no more fair media. They could also organize that even some as a some people before police once no more petition as some demonstration. You invite all the medias now me no more invite you and then you go there and petition to the president, to the vice president. Me I be come on. In that case, you've taken a step forward. So
because embassy or my asem into almost your moon to me, maybe.
And I make us say no. Yeah, I agree, say, young go forward. And they have a solution on how to get the people to come and lead the thing.
Okay.
So what I say, that is where we are. Me can't say mama yo. Me I'm in full support. And I'm masaka to say and me adom say happen and we support or you be contribute to our support. So what I say.
Because maybe me kaise Nashmi Kwaka say omo Morgan obi
Nashmi is another person.
Yeah, Nashmi Kwaka is atama Jomana Mokoye Walando no kaso Ghana fund yeso ye be mo amoye interested mo me asuntini and organize all kind ba aso bia to na dream because say in Ghana
say serious.
There's no money and nobody wants to help but most
serious. You contact Ghana for
doing it with our heart so on.
Let's contact Ghana for.
When me pacho beti me asini me cause women na me be cause women
me pacho queen
me ba saba
mate
me pacho queen
or back door
I mean so back door but where they here
pacho me
praise the Lord
coffee sika
so who is here
queen me sorry say me how.
Yeah, you need to one here. So
the idea be about.
I'm checking in, Kakra, Miss Romo.
Okay, koi. That one me so my main cancer na me refi. Why? I mean cleaning komo kakere. Why?
Okay.
Queens see ani discussing na ye dey abasenka. Ya pese Ghana for no. Nashmin mo na ade no. Omo lead petit
Yeah, petition.
Obi mo am word no there be
Demonstration.
correct. Demonstration na Omonfa officially being comma president, chief justice, chief of defense, and how have you? I'm almost a vice president, my boy.
Aye.
Until you saw, and the cabinet me a contacting us me, and the other one, father one, at the other, Omo Ghana Nanka, Omo Timi, I started. Na edu time or ebi omu here come there 1 or 2 bia na ya keka bibia bom na nke their support to omo nke bebo ayen pa why queen na ya mane no pacho queen o hey wasako
Me catch call as come can commit near you no kakra pacho.
kasa
But I'm not platform so guiding it came in. I think it's almost press conference. I'm come almost see already at my Tuesday. Right, almost another one. I think it's almost more yes program na lenka. Mo bet me a bit free and honenka or more. Sorry.
yeah anytime they are to queen
JK Serwaa ono this time they no more koye wo Kumasi. So this time they no Kumasi ntinka yetiminya Accra de na
Queen's broker me so between us and JK Serwaa
Mama send no
invite so it's so yeah me so around
na me get so baba
friend no about why
yo
oh, okay
Ebusian for.
Yeah. Pachebe tinya kasakaka. Queen's blogger. Comment and kawa blog kede dada. Yeah, try who read a comment.
ready but when some more kasenti me sure
Mo kai say mommy call Ghana no mommy call Ghana no Mrs Club International for no. Omo call ado ohima we yejewe no mo so mo present petition to the president already. Enti Mrs Club International no ka omo mo press conferences lady na no okabro for no. Oye interview no mo contacting because I think say we present or can we interview no so omo Ghana because some person present petition to the president.
Okay.
And Timon find out Mrs. Club International for normal come press conferences no. And I met you my so.
They're not in China.
They're not sure white no I an interview trending and all camp English.
Once I say JK Serwaa on any month maybe
no, when the lady need the Dana mommy call Ghana now Mukoshia no him interview no say or banner or masomano or a part of team legal wise but almost Mrs. Club International.
Okay.
Into normal or host for some representative petition to the president. Timon find a lady no Queen Benimono. Omoni adwa treat mom no mo Mrs. Club International. They almost so like
right.
Yeah, and Timon show mansa. Because of can we
but and I'm do draw on come and say
okay.
So what they are cry best the be so copy so when from
say no you want to organize it so say a massive demonstration no me massive
yeah it be a demonstration so be pa
exactly and
Queen's blogger me touch oh Denmark
no Denmark
me throw message a me my throw say last time the throw
because baby DM no more did batem sa interview no more did batem sa interview
and yeah na me throw say we are more team leader wise for ni before her
should I need maybe more
okay
Say
global pay. I just say global. Me contact global.
Global de mini pano no me na na kwa sorry. Global de na na kwa.
Na unzone na ha me wofa no no nde ya na me betro bisa so ebi wa ha link me up
but ebi ni ho ebi ni ho
Pacho oba
pin patch of a plus 21 to screen so mame ana your friend is a number no so enya sa mbaka se nkola mbese
na report the me one report more than 30 times. You are not pay pim same.
Ntino o de fa to suma na fa number no so to suma amanfo abebisa pa.
So football si akon.
Ntino we me dey go back why me
so for
why
Serwaa with them the shows yeah man no say organize
JK Serwaa
yenya WhatsApp
why
yo when ya WhatsApp yeah organize on yenya WhatsApp group be why na gentimi and fan support man na normal and dana kwem
I think so you are right pa I think so you
so I say you make it a move ya check o sen kaya da
my chepa no so
no man queen o say yeah na get the support man say support there na support ni
Kofi
yes
Pacho JK Serwaa ba o ntino uwo eyuma na de amane na mam
then ebo amane no e so wa oni mi na ntino bo amane so we na no this is your Ghana ho no
me ta frustrate ya JK Serwaa Pacho de woman say no ye doing say ye ma president petition and a little demonstration wo Ghana ho ntina ye nua ba ko ka say so far as amokoye press conference na yemfa nto wenim na so betimi organize no so na ye hu se na ebesi aye na ejamu na mo Ghana ye ni Ghana ho ntino enu ntina
I'm so no ko ni Ghana but yeah
ni de me German na wa twash
I'm so no ni Ghana but I think say na main chief commander of you know. And we want to do something similar in terms of demonstration. And Tina appears after a reanimate from the patrol. So be there. A count home.
Yeah, me Ramo. The woman say, yeah, the press conference, you know, second one about 5 days. Now, the demonstration is what I got to give it to me now. The
so kasa we chu JK
the pacho ma teninga
said yeah
yo me that demonstration ya shishebi after the press conference ne wo kumasi ne de betuja na de pese ye ne the person ka ye de call asante hen ho first nanka omuhu bad no because that's a request of ye ma me no ma ye kwa ma wo mo ne se kebe yo mani GSA kebe ye ne ye ho dade Lumba ni padua no entina ka ya adin senka ye Tuesday be ye press conference ni we are 2 weeks near the demonstration no peaceful demonstration akọ asante hen abobo ano ni Akosua kire na the petition ama no enti ifiri ho a ye betimi the petition ni bia koma asante regional omo frane sem
but enti we me o data de no kra no won say one ne wife no one oba ne kra ko wo wa bontin o I think say we na general information it's public information it's out there this is a case ayaka Ghana oba ne obi cause enkwala ni bi it was proof say na enkwala ni bi nye ne ma enkwala ni na o
yeah
obuko court no some of the assets ni bi wo hono ma eko ma me ne ho but assuming say omo ye ne blind 50-50 Charlie, this woman took the man through hell. Ain't you know, edu baby ne krano no ni papa ne pray a dime back up wo is legal. Only ne coach you until finally ni court ni di ma be man. All I'm saying is that our really be wo hono ma obani okunu no omo wonti ase there is understanding obi wo hono ma so once say uni ukuna tena say ebia ye si dan edan we ya me si no we ya wo dia me si we ya ma me si we so afa so they have some sort of arrangement obi ani ɛwɔ ɔmo ntɛm na ɔmo de kɔ court a ɔbaa no ebia ɔno no wafa ne deɛ baako no ɛna baako no ebia ne kun ne so yɛ sɛ ɔɔfa no ɔde akɔ court yɛ ne nkyɛ ɛnum pɛpɛɛpɛ nti ɛno saa no sɛ court ne kasa ebia vulnerability bi dɛndɛn nti ebedi ate abɛɛma na bear in mind sɛ yamma na esisi bi we came for equality and ɛno na sometimes me pɛ sɛ yɛmu bi yɛn ti ase because ɛno ɛyɛ saa na akɔyɛ te sɛ yɛmia mɛɛma ne kɔ so if the court is saying say come and prove her listen so long as only nipa korɔ ne worry yɛn if you don't have any agreement between mu mmienu if someone nyi nhyehyɛeɛ bia sɛ bia mene what na there because ɛmaa ne bi yɛ sa mene wa yɛ japadeɛ we deɛ meyɛ na me nko amafa ofuma yɛ we ama we yɛ wo so wo deɛ people have that kind of arrangement but sɛ mu wɔ saa arrangement ne deɛ ɛna sɛ de wontimi fa bɛɛma ne nkonsa nkomia ne mene but if there is no arrangement okay na ye bia yɛ nia yɛ japadeɛ ɛne de yɛ nim sɛ yɛ mienu nia na yɛ nti ho ne deɛ sɛ udu court na nti be ma judge ne be ka cho sɛ bra be prove uwe no ebi ana oba na ejapade no wo hodeda ebi kra ye ejapade abema ne maame ana ne papa wudi jan na afe because no wo ho no pese wo ne maame pre hom but meanwhile between mu union no mu sheda anya bibia so you can prove it but the meme can say sa prove no enye by force say it has to be financial contribution enti wo oba no say bia during only bear ne time na moto asase a so wusi kan ni mu kra sa abre no na wo nua aduane e bia time a wo di nua aduane wo di nsuo si wuti koton ya ka wo so nya sika koton wo so wo nko awo de enti ho ne de you can prove your case if you have a good lawyer and you know how to argue your way there no ebeto obi aso enti me sa emra no honestly I don't see anything wrong with it because me who say ebo oba de bear man na ho bai
Mimi so asem. What was the law before as an omo the way bem?
No, you see, that time no, say the law no was there. That substantial contribution, you know what did that?
But say it wasn't like the way on person me and CC no. Now it was not emphasized that
so
the
question you have to ask yourself is that I didn't know say no person munshe mukena. And no na make us say mama my and dream kosi say they want to suffocate women.
Me tell say again no.
And mommy be sukuta agenda.
I agree with you there.
So back of yemfa ne say why japade bi. Okay. Na wakwa koshia oba bi. Oni oba na kor. Japade ne wo hodeda ansa na oba na eba. And then oni wa ba be ware e bi sheda unim the side check for ni opu ho fa ne timo pose papa we me ne ko ware 1 year pe na me ne na kon japade yon.
Yeah, you're right.
Enti ono obeba no waye wade deda wo na ebi ono wa ba be ware ono be ware ye no after 2-3 years no o say on ware bi na say bibie sinte wo say munji aware maybe the court will ask you say compensate her manali money ye bibi fair enough but obi wo ho no ma say japade no beto say wo no that was the main agenda to de be ware wo no o insist say ono won che say japade no. It is a court need demand this okay madam prove how you contributed to this menya sure say yemfonso
kra
money be taking advantage and you see this is one of the reasons in here and money be breaker are scared to do the ordinance marriage because say any girls no more na adwembo ne doso into your bema worry for ha na se wo fi se wanya side checker you would emanate we you know wo yire wo wie pe or no bet na 2 years afi no ujina court no pray japade o.
Exactly, MPP. And to add to what MPP is saying, even before this law now we introduce, they had the equitable compensation. And so regardless, the Ghanaian constitution under Article 22, they see our area as partnership, right? And even if there is divorce, so the Ghana court or the Ghana legal system, they see our area as a partnership. They feel say there's been, like MPP was trying to explain. So even after divorce, they will let you try and compensate him because they feel say you've built equity together. And the case now MPP cast my reference it's very like a very good relative example because Mamine man 4-bedroom 1 car and then 2 billion old Ghana cedis. Sa feed man no nisika nimo and then nisika ni fee but then under the Ghanaian constitution they feel say our area is partnership therefore also ban sunya bibi you get the point. So the court realize say we had these provisions for women, but now it looks like people are now taking advantage of 50-50 at the end. And so under ordinance, and then they try and stay around for a little bit, and then at the end they normally work court and pray their do sounds do seek and you get the point. So I think that is why the Ghanaian court brought that law and say, and yeah, you have to prove, say, of course you contributed, you did that. So I say, because obviously so when you obey your property side, obviously your name also contribute to so you've got like you just have to come in your friend saying prove it. And that's like the whole thing at the Banana Republic. But the issue here is you see all what we are saying is all this system and all this laws, it is there, but then it is the application of it, the people that are trying to oversee whatever we are doing in Ghana, and their problem. Like all the laws are explicit. It is just that people feel like, oh, because of where they belong, because of what they feel, and that is what is happening. But looking at our Ghanaian law, there was a simple issue, or like so easy. But then we've got people. Now, Kofi Obi can say, like women and kids are vulnerability and stuff like that. It's the same thing. Even in Ghana, there's child support in Ghana, but in the custodians of the laws don't apply whatever we have. In the Ghanaian constitution, look at you, we say there's a child support. People don't even know, but there's child support that you can take your husband for him. You're American. But the people that are seen to the law are not enforcing it because we are all exactly personal interest. And that is why Ghana, Banana Republic, say in Fivana or enforce it, say Fivana or enforce it. You get the point. And but all these things that we are talking about is enshrining the constitution. Like look at Mahama Akusa's West case. It's like we've had similar cases, Diama ordinance, like similar, but then it tends to do win because of people's personal interest. The whole thing has changed, and that is Ghana. Everything is possible. Everything, like like everything is possible in Ghana. So I say, so all this we are saying, like the American it's enshrined, the constitution is there. See, Ghana have got one of the best laws. Like Nango copy from the UK. They copied most of their laws from the UK. But then it's the people that are overseeing it that are evil people. The people that are overseeing are evil people. There are people talk about system. People say this is system need Daniel amount for better. No, it's people that are overseeing the system. So if you have a better system and you have bad people, it means the system will corrupt. Like America, like America and all these countries, right? We've got system, we've got bad people, but then we've got people that are really passionate about their country. So don't let certain things slide. So what I say. But like Ghana, no, there are the laws, but then the people are bad. And some of the whole thing are jamming. And you might think, say, hey, Ghana, the law new. There are laws, like proper laws. People that mirrored their laws from the UK. What are you talking about? Ghana laws, 90% from the UK. But then, because bad people are overseeing it, that is why it drew. Do you think, say, if America was Ghana, Donald Trump would have appeared in the Epstein files? No, he wouldn't. He wouldn't.
It's true.
So now, we're Ghanaian president. Do you think, say, Oba appears at the time of this?
Even nobody will care.
Let me even give you a recent example.
Oh, it's a sad country.
About 2 days ago, there has been news to say some Ahia case. Yeah.
Exactly.
So what is really preventing them from mentioning?
And that is MP. That is a very good example. Look, compare to Abu Cheka. It was everywhere with videos. But Edru skinny soon. Once a year, and that is the kind of country that we are living in. So what I say. So it's not like we don't have the laws, but we are living in a banana republic because they are not the microphone laws are evil people. Edru Abu Cheka so because he's just Abu Cheka. The video time they didn't have any substantive evidence in po. But video and make a whole lot of drama. But Obina or no our influence Abu Cheka or Tom products. But this person actually you see a Tom product and the product is well known. And then someone had the earphone tree. Say or a narcotic boss, a whole radio station. See these people can say yachi be na nipa not on popular products. Na products ni ka GD said in dim Pierre ebe asem one fa din and piano ye so this man is shielding one person at the expense of a lot of people who toss our products. So if substance or be share our products now once nipa back no was shielding back against a lot of people that are buying this sort of products. Why did him say substance maybe be shampoo? Who knows? But they are shielding one person against thousands of people. That's the kind of wicked country we are living in. It's nothing.
The public becomes the opportunity.
Exactly. That is the country that we are living in. Like it is not anything that we should be talking about it for 8 months, because there have been relative examples, relative cases, similar cases. They never changed anything. They never altered anything. Does it mean that the side chick wouldn't be compensated? No, she will. But then you can't change our laws just to suit whatever you want to do. That is our issue in Ghana. Say we are say Queen Emma say Don say MPP. That is the country that we are running. That is the country that we are running. A country open birth certificates just a connection. Like, let it make sense. Open birth document too. You have to pay extra money to get it into this. Like, what sort of country is that? What sort of country? I say American stuff. You have 2 weeks, 1 week passport.
We are friends, and this popular guy your bag and see it was all over the place.
I sure.
Exactly. or they debe you see a man say passport within 2 days or something.
Exactly. You see, but there are Ghanaian people queuing for 6 months of no passport. And there are similar people like I show speed or Ghana, almost so send the man within hours. So they get it hours like that, and we all can testify. Yeah, your platform. Either yeah and also we do that. You see, so the country now I live in, that is what it is. If it doesn't
where the uncle because even UK you can get it same day, which is that system is everywhere.
Yeah.
If you have the additional money, no, you can have the same day processing. Or, fast processing.
I'm coming, Jumana. There's a difference
everywhere.
I'm coming, Jumana. There's a difference between there's a package for you to expedite your document, and there's a difference between to your say, "Mama, met me and in terms of mama." I brought enco government cafes. That is different.
Obisai, did he ask? So beside any of the money the same.
That is different. There's an expedite and there will be to say but there's a difference. Say who be not just within 1 eye that there will be braille. And it's done
so
in Ghana.
Let me bring you back to the discussion. It's how long now Kofi Kase. I think some years back there was this popular man. He actually served under Kufoni government, you know. This old man be obe or no worries any 8 wife was a day. Emma Nema be
8 one.
I may be exaggerating.
No, I think so. Probably you are 8 wives. I say.
He was because Papa had no you no baby. And I know about why make a question that ne oh be crouch on you do as you. You gotta forward you follow. It's true that case.
Maybe we might be young by then.
Because I think the man was almost 86 years at the time, and I know a young lady, young. Emma the man cause some stop here worry and identity. It's because it's I'm not saying it's a lady need a true love, but it's because a lot of these young ladies no almost at that time almost way their way and chobewu na worry within 6 months 1 year or see jawari or no jaya or say so this thing has been going on for a while now. A lot of the young ladies say your most strategy and I say their shortcut to wealth. Until when they bring these laws now, I'm not sure say is there to affect only women, but I think it's there to protect both men and women.
This Tajumana said some bizarre reference question.
So Clough no so but try next week home. Emma, what a minute. Oh, UK pan. Emma, what a minute. Emma. Remember next week.
Oh, yeah, it's one car.
Remember next week. Okay. Linty. Say, you find someone in Europe and UK and everywhere to sell because even if you can't come to Funo no Krampa, one track a material bio, one be in support. Oh, because someone I mean come bro for them won't tell me. Even if people are not gonna come to the funeral, which I hope you all are.
Man, I understand your tree, so speak it.
Okay.
Yeah.
They should G2
You see what I mean? So move making sure say move finding different people from different places like UK, Germany, different area where team legal wives are well. No more like tontona yen to Toby. Media, I'm going to come to the one in what do you call it? The one in Ghana, the one in Germany. Me kunin na phone you about Germany ni be. But Ghana they me that's me be a girls. Into me here say me be me but Germany they we me baby. But Ghana they me back. Into mo proposal me say. O me busta me say. Enti mano o mo ton bi wo UK na say mo ton bi wo UK. Enti mo cha
eba Jumana. Eba e make sure say on sabekeli na ebia UK for no. What o ama wo mo.
Oh my son, my mom, but I'm okay. Because mommy, yeah, but even UK for number here, no more. Well, if you come me cook Ghana, come because I'm found cook Ghana, na min ko pam mamu na min fam bra back. Because Germany they know we are till. We're gonna hey, you better genuine. We are rapping exactly, rapping on, rapping live. Rapping live.
So we can take it about you. So on chama me.
On chama yet. Min niaba. Oh no,
mun chaba me why na me pena no mpeso be chaba be. Don Akosua Serwaa. Don na osiri.
No,
but say madam I feel am the proposal to. Ye hu sa opinion ada na me ntwa ticket ba wi.
Baby, or your analysis be or share ya. What the you a Belgian ticket to cover and one no fee ni biometric or do it too. Yeah, man, your person because of the
it's an emoji.
Yeah, because o cover and scanner share.
I see. I can't be fee.
Now, so people were like, oh. Amuhu billboard and stuff like that. Like
baby.
Okay.
Me kind of me nya ba kwampo twane die first. Yes, and I am trying me we trying to be a one trying mo bia no so no there. She's coming. Into Muni na mama don't wait till every day na price.
Me my son take it to that.
Oh wait cha.
Every day na price.
And who is buying for me? I want
Don
to go.
Coffee. When you now, monkey come na munchama.
Wait, maybe a small boy. I can't cram it up. Me actual account.
Oh, small family. Who is buying for the women?
Who is buying for the women? Comment section. Legal husbands.
I mean, put the kids or mommy busamo.
Team legal husbands. Who is buying for the women?
Yes, who is buying for the women?
Husbands.
We are the wives, so and you guys are the husbands.
Yeah, how many must I check?
Oh, Cassie, so chaba me, Cassie dear.
Oh, Cassie dear, so you're bad.
Aye, oh no, dear, yeah, no, I hear you.
No, I show you
man, why?
In Pamacho, a man, ye person mucha who is buying?
Charlie, no, we have some strong men. No money high yet right now. Don't sell your akra and no pressure. We have some strong ones, but they're not here.
The strong men are coming. Or anybody. Why are they? Temple.
I just say who is buying for the ladies?
Who is buying? Oh, this is a bracelets brother is trying today to contact people to change things. Hey, for they can't change anything. Massa, hey, I'm a church on him. Massa was you because
your own interest. It doesn't favor our interest.
I'm to be in
leave those people that
they are nothing. before na Ghana mpenifo no they didn't know say omo ye abeyifo a omo ye side chicks a house helps went for omo better will be crew because of entrona no
exactly what and the last sister make our hand no
omo hu no kure no
you see MPPs one their last na make sure say they misled a lot of people omo mislead am for misleading people.
They've been lying to people. Yeah.
Exactly.
Listen,
and these people,
catch it in the brother and sell. Obetimi akọ Serwaa akọ hu bosomne maintain kan
they were misleading people.
Oh, we don't care. We're not watching those fools. We are too busy. Don't bring me. Listen. I'm taking my suitcase out. I may start to send me share my styles. Hey, my catch me could say, "Patch me here 1 or 2 designer shoes."
Yeah.
Hey, me, I'm too. I'm
legal husband.
I'm focused.
Legal husband.
Legal has all power on power. I mean, he had 2 designers. On Pambra, happy na beka the brony brother. Yem wana. Me ba no Beverly oba.
The legal husband ba ko de otimani no obo na ni kire me prepre. Ba che mo ka bibim kire no why.
Hey, the legal husband, what traffic it out with the legal wife. But traffic it no why, traffic it no.
I don't know, I can't remember.
Queen's blocker we see for mana anoko.
But we see for.
Anopa no me share video bi man na me pesa nkombo na yenti ebusham for mama story ni chem
tie
sta enye side chick ni bi na wakofre papa bi ni wife wo da muntie mama ne say
oh I believe you
onya buche ni entie mpacho
no kofre ko ba warning
mama ne say
but they be no monte
mitima warrior I'm trying to speak with the real Nokas.
But I was like no more down home nyina so ntibi mpache wa
sir
yes
okay me sure say meet me about hold on
ya wale nase mikrumu ko fam brabi mprana mikrumu fan mpranu ka chire yimi mi number 1 bema no phones because who say bema no chiro my heart wo phone no so enti wo my heart wo phone no so wo yi number no na wo frame me ni number no me pike ani panan kasa me nim se mikrumu mbra me didi mua number no sa frame kumfo mikrumu ko dware na me say number we frame me am pike na ni panan kasa yo offer once me fa second one now fa me pike da na entina umba adwuma we then wo feel wa ugu so my heart no wanti unyamba adwuma mu ehwana me di na meka menkate phone unkasa my heart no wanti untu menkasa wo na wakati na me the phone na to boko bema no bano wahu se uma piki kono na waye basa membisa no hwe oye basa me kwaba uye woke dia na sise me woke hwe nyame me woke na wokoye chire na girlway afre me number adidi matam wo phone so say me minti imbi maso na minti me nja ware no na me pack me nyama na menko enwa dia be man se ne pedia wo ba ware omba mbrachi nti enye ma adwini se oni be man betwe mpra na wo maja nti wo ba bɛma no pɛsɛ wɔ kyɛn no mpo anya ade na ɔbɛpere ne nti me nchichiri me bellet ni yie me nchichiri me bellet ni yie bi ya west say wo ba me nchichiri me bellet ni yie me siri ni kakra o sai chick o ba mama me wone say me mpake me nyama na me nko that means wo akokudro pa o ba vim o de vim na o bae me siro kakra me de vim na o de bae no me so me de vim na me de be chichiri bellet no what you say me chichiri bellet na that wa asa na o be ho say nti wo ko ji obi kruma o mu ma wonne o ba ne tina fe no one na uma me no my chichiri bellet no be tati o baby o no o be hwehwe me chi kompo o nyame ta what you say bellet no be chichiriwa chichiriwa won to me mumi wa baba wiase what you say sai chike for be mudimi papa mudimi o ka chire me ai beni na fu ka bankran say me nko chichiri mi bellet ni mi danya mi ase se o se me nko chichiri bellet ni me chichiri bellet na won ka so o be won say correct ai beni we what tight ni bellet no na secondly bema no me nja wa ma wanne me nja ma watira ya we
enti ebusuafo na we de bellet no bellet no da bi so kwachechi ni bellet ni yo say
this woman onji
bellet na my side chick no be who say yes ya cheche bellet we de team Davi no go po we move
yeah onji ni too bellet ye nyina ebe bobi
#bellet
hey bellet
you know muni pattern na Mr. Krano o si mi ayigbeni amafaka bankran e na obeka che me se me kwacheche me bellet yo we de mi de rade ase se wa wo se me kwacheche me bellet me kwacheche bellet no me chichira me miema ma wo pon ti me hu me wa abrabo mu David you
Anjini too.
Me blemu side chick no. Me blemu papa no. Akori kana ire no ho nsema kire ge no. Na nka wetumi ya audacity frɛ oba o tia wari ase keka sanse mu no we kire no. Papa e ma me mo ko so ma na no mo to mo ire no mo kire o mo no.
Debi
na there
I don't think so yes how.
Wa kwabo bellet.
No, I just said, I don't know your number. Number no kwaji fi ho.
I think so ohwe papa ne phone so no nya.
Okay, pick it from the phone so.
Yeah, I mean, in as much as I agree with you, so do you agree with me? Say everybody is responsible for their actions, right? Exactly. So the fact that you took a phone and you realize that papa no you know, you are not responsible for any kind of decision you're gonna make. Because you realize that papa no you which means papa no crab choncho, which means on you sue on bell.
Bellet abem.
So because you agreed, you know, because you agreed, you know, and you don't want to be responsible. Who depend on idea or no be man cash or say about the year. But also you had decisions to make. Said Papa we were worried.
I understand you, bro.
You see,
I like the reaction of the lady. No, so who say answer call no, she didn't do anything. So the conscience of the man Nangaza.
Yeah, was
of the wife is the best.
But you see, the funny aspect is, Osi Papa ne sevi nidin, wife ne say you sevi nidin of my heart.
Exactly.
When I make us okay, my heart impo na uknu yese na my headache there. my headache yanka dazu uknu wa 1 billion.
The world is turning upside down.
Yeah, because Nana, I mean, all these issues. Yeah. See, I did go back and forth between these wives and side chicks. It's to the advantages of it's to the advantage of the men. In Bema they benefit it, but who can actually stop it? It is in Bana or Bema Bauna also area. Now what pamono? If we aim here or we here see here we here or be here, men will now start sitting in their homes. But these men come out on the Tramontra, and then these women or be send pan but still no general. What are you telling the men?
I understand you, but Obi looking at where you're coming from. Also, money do they come from a poor background, you understand? So when you be sana, if you are school, if you are university, you hear support. There's no way of turning Paco down. So what you say?
There are girls that are almost free poor background. Because we know a lot.
That is
yes, we are promoting a different act.
No. I'm not promoting it. I'm saying that is decency. So what you say? They are all decency.
They don't have principles in life.
Exactly, they don't have principles and values. That's MPP.
Yes.
But that's MPP. Because this man, some legal wife, now then watch no. Benefit to Anamuni. It is the men that are going to benefit. Because now you are telling the men that, oh, of course, they say your background, you cry, Charlie, they are okay with you. That is the message.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And but who can actually stop this cancer? It is the women.
So bad parenting.
Yeah, that one is. I think the bad parents
Me university no. Edru Saturday like at ahomachi ho san na me roommates for. Oma sorry so mo ko kantamanto mo ko ton table. And na me family omo ko but guess what? Me kwa me to be. And yes na me Crisco because me can university when yes asemo. University. Because my mom had not given me permission to buy my own clothes. Uni myself or catch me. No ma make catch me say. So we go school me say I also hear the me say there. Also what are there? O undergarment. Bibi a wonye bia me na wose me nko. Ada me hu se what obi na say sika na me de ma se fato ho no e do so ma ododo intimate so.
Mete so.
So I didn't have that right. Sebe into me roommate for any ade and they all had boyfriends any ade. I never did that with school. Guess what? Me kwache na me boka. Na na ade mama. And then na ade mama. I quite remember so when we finished school, girl Bifi Sunyane no bar school University of Ghana. And now Obeka ni roommate for no. Now one girl there was this popular lady be Monte Carlo Osu. Me name so mo nim no. And one of my roommates no na or ye juma or ma me no boutiques near there as sales girl. And to introduce this girl na ofri Sunyane ho na waban to that woman. And all of a sudden I quite remember because that girl no level 100 obi kwase ne pe oba afoforo na batan fresh no boy bi kwakacha ne so pe no ema ne ma me ba school mu ho be ye dede hostel ho. All of a sudden that girl na sisa area kete kra no she winter jacket. Ne lifestyle everything changed. When you say girl no or trempna just say or ye adwuma ni bisa enye mu kan na guess what? Ye real school no to be for can in coffee.
Because there will be some questions.
Exactly. The hostel owner no any omo no mo share hostel no so no. Because when you real level 400 will be a cop but two car na yenya space for the new students no babeje ni girl ni car no aka ho. I later heard say oton car ne for full fuma obi. I didn't na girl no to me for can in coffee. Perhaps no wo parent be to say me mommy. Enti say no bad parenting no akola bebe fie okuta iPhone 17 unim say oba ni nya adwuma umbisa ni so nya awe and then awofo ni bitimi fa phone e from mama you say u ba fa bibi bro hwe ni fie enti no akola bi sa no so obi kunu kwose ne pa obepini. It's true. I'm not saying me for rich home. I'm not from a rich home. My mom, na me mama was struggle no the shame. Because my mom was a single mother. But guess what? We didn't have that liberty now. And then up to date. Even say I'm a warrior crown, I'm not so comfortable going to certain places.
You know,
even me step out and now me kotna baby me say na me hu titi me pesa me mra back me pesa me mra feedback.
What's the here okay ama makai audio bi anansem sorry to cut you off. Audio bi on the market woman say omu nyina looking for the next daddy Lumba. They are ready. Ten span what 12 years or 13. omudi ombemano because at the end of the day no so a celebrity or yehua oma nka say omudi enkwala ne bema betwani o omosi omo pe ye papa o say kwame despite money penifo no ne ba no wo 14 years whatever omudi ombema because ombeye ajapade ama o nam say wow
no can is in support of the kaya say oba betali yi hu na ye mra penifo Ghana na they are supporting it there and so
you mo kan dey
because we be 6 Ghana government because as long as the kids are involved no when you hwe kura nipa ne wo dan 10 na obenya mutu
enti ba so na ye kan ko say
question we say okay sadie we no so no one way or the other way no ebi mu ye boka minim ebi ni mu ne skafo na awo enso omo hwe nkwala no
joy ampa even on this app your there's one
sadie we na kasa no I say ye share the advantage and disadvantage both sizes because woman share with him say ukodi obi kunwechi na wo fu nipa na ye na wo ko wo na
Joy, what's the there's someone on this app I call you the same thing. Or you said property papa
omuni nkrofu kunu mawo ba wontimi udi kojina court say o koji papa na japade anayen fa japade ni ma ehifa na sa ade we bisi enti no say if say people are promoting it they should go on na me ni mi ko aye japade na say mi kun ewu a ajapade ni ye media na say me media yes media mama enti no unso oba kono ba be kire me ajapade a uni mi kun ebre ya munya ye because uni obi mbrenye ajapade a umme claim say ajapade na me lady we presla ni de na koso me tie chi na mesre because ajapade na wo ho ni nyina no ukrampo udin ba kumpo you don't have any document obetimi je prove say ade ni ye wo dia hey mama obetimi aton sa radio station na omutiti mu no mu ye dede no oti ni fi obetimi aton what ho ani abetu mu afu and also people don't think promote sir mama no be use man sa be use no mu ja o
na don ka say and enya don I think yes not don ka say a man e wo say anke bia be ma worry for ebe so fa na u ka say there bia ebe ma manage isa den eni na ye ka say no one parent no e very poor ena enen kwala na aba no ye pe ye die ntenten ye pe omo pe minim star indomie generation we no I said they want everything quick obi wo honum kra wa fa na adwuma mu na onye nya 1 year ne kra no opentem na ibi obey supervisor opentem no wa ba benya managerial position ain't no I don't know what is happening with them omo upbringing I really don't know what is happening sa adwene na wo mutirimu a ebi mu adwene omo say they are better off dating married men because the kind of was a married man no mu dating say be anya married men bi akeko say be obi o tonku bi a otwi trogo market bi ba bi a owo yere no wo say ta obi sa no ko say girl ne pa on pill omo no they have certain standard married man with certain qualifications and
that is why we are able to come to conclusion say they are greedy people because they don't like the 4 ones. That's why we are able to see that.
Okay, that is it because say omo dream e kura omo no am my so comfortable to the extent that an SS in Kolakra to me the camera see omo nim ka say ye wie school na ya makwa ye bagigi mu kunu no. Why would a child do that? Me to me the camera see menim menim man say nyina hwe me na mabeka sanse na efie be mu na mekwa akoda efie na me say me yes ade ni wi na me ankasa makotu mame na madem na maka hwe egu mi so
those days me ma me undu ho na wakotwa bode no arere bode no ho na body aba ni gira ho twem
Usha emayiwa ne kra no usha sa vim ni we courage no mo de be kan sa asem na it tells you say omunsuro omachi omunsuro omo maami omunsuro omo papa because say ade omunsuro omo maami no papa ubehu sanka omo de say ya peer pressure kra no de video na ubehu say oh yeah no kra ubehu say na nipa kro no was some reservation there na ubehu say na otwetwe ne ho san but we de omo ba with vim because the parents the control is poor.
Yeah, because I'm for the principles ni values so even with the parents. So as I say, young crofo be want to me share hustle. Say, okay, maybe you want to there are people they can't do that. I mean like they are very I mean bread here. So they always their punchlines, on say we are here they are poor, But there are poor people that are selling. There are poor people that are sticking to whatever they have. So you're poor, why do you want to live luxurious life? And that is the problem. And I'm not for Rebecca say, oh, it's because of poverty, it's because of poverty, it's because of poverty. But it's a decision you decide to take. So as I say, and yeah, people have no values and principles because what principles need value are. So you not do certain things. You not do certain things. And that is the order of the day.
Announcement back okay.
Bacha your announcement.
To the good people on this platform. Your plan is say you na sign a petition. Edia forma abebu na from your ministers. Ye pese ekoye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho na waboa yen in this situation. And to say ne or this platform or any platform no say petition be because say ye pese abaini ndi asema yen ye pese aware ni o me Akosua boa obeti bia na wasan bi na ye di akoye because yentimi njina faako and discuss one thing all over again every day. We talk and then we move.
Ti mama me pacho my sun chena adwen why Lord Misro
me di be twem
wada wache Lord
I think that you can say parenting na so you nyina at the time na is shano na sorry like you call youth meeting and stuff like that now you boy like I say we encourage ourselves we take the good information from the church and yes a Bible as such but now as a good conduct from our childhood but me want to say sorry as and sorry as fan almost see some like almost need good foundation you bet me I started with a good education from the home because I'm school now because of these phones and stuff like that. No, I'm teaching them my brain to say shy safe fear. I didn't say no mom one I get more good things into their head rather than some because school no more pick it from my mom now for 4 honey. Everybody want to be the same as the young con. As soon as dress saying, also miss me dress say, even me, mammy, me, papa, and I have to go and follow someone to get the same thing now. And no more boy. That's my expression.
Emma, Papa, to me can be big kaka. Okay, yeah. Your sister never can no. Sa enyema ni nyina. It has been there. Yen time nyina na wo ho. E wo ho a parent no eyewe ba yen kwala ni bi na yaso oden na jimi enso no ahye yemuma as nowadays no because akwala bi wo ho a okọ school a ne mama ni bi crampa or try so obema ni bibi. But just that akwala ne kwa or share the life of other people. What I say? Me kai say yen brand new SS me mate bi no always say oba obi ani trouble so a obeba wenu e chese nyama bebre negum enu nti no se wo ye akwala bi a wadwen mu eye ha ekwanya nipa ne fa so no onya asade no you have no idea. What I say? Enti one kasa no bibia obetimi aya ma ho ne se a ebe boa ho ne se pen way eye blue ena me ma me nya ma me mani nso saa blue we na me fan komini but sesia no ye hu saa de no ye hwe ni ebi mu ye enti ye ma me no enti mi krampo na then ye hu papa pani bi owo sika obetimi ama ye 1000 bia na ye de ye ho ama no na yenya enyema ye pe ye fele se enu ne beboa yin but enu no at the end of it all no enfa unko si baby ya because ebi mwaji ebi mukumwachi be 10 years wenya fa so bi enfi so till so be hu nyansa se ade na enya media eye obi dia eni kwan se miye we mi so me nko pa media mi nsa mechi na me nko bre na mi so mi nya media na ne mpese me de ye me fa nen so we nyansa ne dia ubeya aboka ebi eye boka de bia because some papa mu mpanyifo no ebi mu ye good die ebi mu so wo ho mu sase eden enu nti no nya ode beto indomie ene fried rice die ode be mam ne oba be fa wo esi ni ka mu ede akọ holidays die ode be mam na ebi mu so nim nyansa say okay se nipa yi bua me a mami nji bibi mfima se metwi me ho fi ne ho a ana se bi adachi kra no oja me a metimi agina ho abọ me bra ebi mu ndwen sa na wahia obi a bi oye papa pani ebi ni fie oboa ni ade na sese wo se school na obetimi akọ ese wo yire ho na wo de kọ na the end no certificate na obenya afim no obetimi de akọpa ejuma ye ejuma suanso na ebi a odo obekọ a sese usua ni ye se ne be ya wewie watwe ho afim ho na so wetimi de se ejuma sua no akọbọ ye bra parent no bebre yo
eho kakra no joy eho kakra ne se we hia papa penimu no adentina was a unko shia papa penimu in the first place adentina was obi kunu na enko sponsor se papa penimu ko na nke bia sebio ne yire free mu ana waja aware onye obi ano ne enu podo obi ane woni asem but obi kunu de se bia obi kunu na menene namtine me ma meni ate obi kunu me ma na boa me ama mesua eduma ana ma ko school na menya baby agina no I think that is the whole thing we are condemning.
Because me to me dear me just add any into but when you say if you want
1 minute per me put eduma me pia akọ chantry but o ma me kasa 1 minute per na me nka me experience ba ko pentry mo mesrem.
Okay.
Yeah, on say na sorry o man chia mpacho good evening and you me chia obia yeah. Me worry me schoolmate me senior yeah on say mususa mo na mo be sha brabo as we started life together and na started year we next no there is a certain girl oba mi kun eni manye eni ntokwa manko enti na ma na asem no ya na metena tidi na metiam to na me kai media na misu obe like odi miku nechi ema miku susu di nechi and so se oni miku wu ye nyina wu me decided